Billionaire investor George Soros just gave Rivian hope after purchasing just over 6 million more Rivian shares, immediately after Ford dumped 7 million additional Rivian stocks this week. Let's talk about it. Rivian revealed a 2022 manufacturing target of 25,000 cars. Classo report was afraid, but the electric vehicle manufacturer made up for it. The producer of electric SUVs and pickup trucks has just dispelled some of the numerous questions about its near-term prospects. Despite supply chain delays, semiconductor shortages, and rising raw material prices, the business retained its 2022 production target of 25,000 cars. These issues have made increasing manufacturing rates challenging. Based on our latest understanding of the supply chain environment, we reaffirm the annual guidance provided during our fourth quarter and fiscal year 2021 earnings call of 25,000 total units of production, the company said in a letter to its shareholders. As of May 9, the carmaker has produced 5,000 vehicles. Supply chain continues to be the bottleneck of our production. This challenge has continued across a small handful of technical components, such as semiconductors, as well as a few non-semiconductor components, Rivian explained. Since March 31, 2022, we have been forced to stop production for longer periods than anticipated, resulting in approximately a quarter of the planned production time being lost due to supplier constraints. But encouragingly, as we demonstrate our production ramp, our suppliers are leaning in to help ensure we can achieve our targets, the company added. Rivian also stated that it completed the first quarter with $17 billion in cash, which appears to be enough to launch the R2, a cheap midsize SUV, in a new facility. We have optimized our product roadmap and associated operating expenses to ensure we have a path to launch R2 in Georgia in 2025 with our current cash on hand, the company explained. In early May, Rivian reached an arrangement with officials in the U.S. state of Georgia. This arrangement will allow the automaker to accelerate the development of a $5 billion facility east of Atlanta. After Normal, Illinois, this will be the company's second car production location. The first vehicles are planned to roll off the line in 2024, with construction set to begin this summer. When manufacturing processes are fully operational, the plant will be able to produce up to 400,000 automobiles per year. The arrangement also includes $1.5 billion in public subsidies from Georgia for Rivian, which was created in 2009 and will go public in 2021. In its Normal facility, the company now produces 3 vehicles: the R1T electric pickup, the R1's electric SUV, and the RCV electric commercial van. Rivian reported over 90,000 net R1T pre-orders from consumers in the United States and Canada as of May 9, including 10,000 pre-orders since its price increases in March, with an average price of more than $93,000. These figures suggest that demand for Rivian automobiles is still high. Soros buying more Rivian shares, which had lost 78% of their value to $22.79 before to the May 11 disclosures, have now risen 29.61% to $26.70 in 2 trading days. After growing in value in 2021, Ford's investment in Rivian has dropped precipitously since January, resulting in significant losses for the manufacturer. Ford's interest in Rivian was valued at $5.1 billion on March 31, down from $10.6 billion at the end of 2021, according to the firm. Rivian is an important partner for Amazon, and we are excited about the future, a spokesperson said in an emailed statement. Putting 100,000 electric delivery vehicles on the road by 2030 is no small feat, and we remain committed to working with Rivian to make it a reality. George Soros, the legendary investor, has also recently expressed his support for Rivian. Soros Fund Management has expanded its holdings in the automobile sector. As of December 31, the business owned almost 20 million Rivian shares, worth at $2 billion. According to a May 13 SEC filing, Soros Fund Management had bought little over 6 million extra Rivian shares as of March 31, totaling 6,045,000. Ford competes with Rivian with the all-electric F-150 Lightning truck. Other Rivian stockholders remain confident in the company even if Ford sells. This is the case with e-commerce giant Amazon, which retained its 17.74% holding as of December 31. And that's it for this quick news report. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one coming in the future. See you later.